In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture a scrolling screenshot in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 using the updated 2026 method. If you've ever needed to save an entire web page instead of just the part visible on your screen, this built-in Edge feature makes it really simple. A scrolling screenshot, sometimes called a full-page capture, is especially useful for saving articles, receipts, guides, or any long page that won't fit in a normal screenshot. To get started, open Microsoft Edge and go to the web page you want to capture. Before moving on, make sure the page is fully loaded. That helps ensure everything on the page is included properly, especially if the site contains images, sections that load as you scroll, or expandable content. Once you're on the correct page, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Edge menu, where you'll find a range of browser tools and options. From that menu, select Screenshot or Web Capture depending on what your version of Microsoft Edge shows. Microsoft occasionally adjusts the wording or layout in newer updates, but the feature works the same way. This tool is what lets you grab either a selected area or the full length of the page. When the Capture tool opens, choose Capture Full Page. This is the option that creates a scrolling screenshot, rather than just taking a picture of the visible screen area. As soon as you click it, Edge will begin processing the entire web page for you automatically. Now just wait a moment while Edge captures the full page. On shorter pages, this usually happens almost instantly. On longer or more complex pages, it may take a few extra seconds. During this process, you don't need to scroll manually or click anything else. The browser handles the full page capture for you. Once the screenshot is ready, you'll have the option to save it or copy it, depending on what you need. If you want to keep a file on your computer, choose the Save option and pick a location that's easy to find later. If you plan to paste it into a document, chat, presentation, or image editor right away, using Copy can be faster and more convenient. And that's it. That's how to capture a scrolling screenshot in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11. It's a quick built-in feature that saves time and avoids the need for third-party extensions or extra software. If you use Edge regularly, this is definitely one of the most useful tools to know.